Alright guys, Super Mechanics and Detailing. So I did a report on this Dodge Caliber. This is what we've been working on. It had 6 engine codes. So yeah, then it had some recalls if you have one. These are all the dealer recalls that you can the dealership will replace and fix your vehicle because it's a dealer recall. So from the manufacturer. So yeah, I'm just making a short video on this. Um, yeah, had a couple. Here's the recall numbers and when it was recalled. So that's basically what it is. There's a number you can call or whatever. But yeah, then it had some other stuff, all of this junk. But yeah, it's like fluids, you know. But I ain't gonna get all deep into it. But basically, we came here for the report. Here's the report, engine report. It had a code PO303, cylinder 3 misfire, and spark plug would be about $8. Ignition coil about 55. Then this one, catalyst efficiency below normal bank. That's just basically saying, what it is, But then it had a code PO507. IAC RPMs higher than expected, and then cooling performance, cylinder 3 misfire, and yeah, that's pretty much what it is for this Dodge Caliber. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. If you have any questions, comment. I use an app called Repair Solution 2. Yes, I didn't get any live data on it, but in the future I will. Yeah, Super Mechanics and Detailing.